welcome back to my channel. It's El Chanel and I'm back with another video. I felt like I just want to come on camera and just like get cute because I've been honestly in this house bored out of my mind and I've been looking real ugly. So I just wanted to do my makeup today, and I kind of want to do the same look I did before with the white fading into the pink, but instead I'm gonna do white fading into purple. So yeah, you know, if you ain't got nothing to do, watch this whole video. Hopefully it's entertaining to you, because honestly we ain't got nothing to do. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can binge watch all my videos, because what else is there to do? So yeah, this is gonna be like a drink and chill quarantine. You know the vibes. Quarantine. We all in this together. So hey, get your wine and watch this video. All right, so I'm doing one brow on camera. I'm gonna use the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Brunette. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and that's what I'm gonna use for my brows first. And then of course I'm gonna line the top part of my brows with my foundation. It's gonna be the Juvia's Place foundation in the shade 340. Oh, and another thing I meant to tell y'all, I'm gonna use my Lorac matte pro palette, and I'm gonna use the chocolate color with this with my brow pencil, because my brows, as you can see, they grow kind of funny. So that pencil is like lighter, and I need something a little bit darker. I'm gonna end up getting another pencil, but for right now this is what I'm gonna have to use. So I'm gonna fill it in kind of towards the end with that that chocolate shade. So I'm gonna use that same concealer and I'm gonna put it all over my lid, and that's gonna be my eyeshadow base. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. This is how it looks. I'm gonna use in my crease area, I'm gonna use this reddish brown, and then I'm gonna start working in that purple. I'm gonna use this purple shade right here, and then I'm gonna use the white from the Dip Doll palette by Dip Lips and Tips Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this white right here. Make me want a cigarette. And I ain't no smoking chick, but you got me wanting it, so don't.
I can tell you some keep it right there. And my adrenaline is open nice. Stomach muscles getting tight. Skin so wet my face. Like Wesley, trying to love you if you let me. What's your vibe? What's your next move? You the one I wanna be next to. Hope you don't mind when I text you. Stop playing, girl, let me bless you. Oh, you back again. Say you single and you ready, girl, what's happening? I let you leave me once before and I can't pass again. No, I can't play around with you, I'm on your ass then.
So for liner, I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Matte Black Liner. And I'm not gonna do, I'm trying to think, should I do a wing? I don't know. I might do a wing. Okay, so I'm gonna throw on my lashes. These are from Kiss. These are the iconic lashes. I don't remember the name or the number of these lashes, but I love these lashes. Like, they're so cute. So when I go to the beauty supply, I'm gonna look at the pack and see what's the name of these when I get some more, when I re-up on my lashes. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. matte putty primer and I'm gonna just put that right in here. Okay, update. I do feel like I'm kind of getting oily, like faster than what I typically do. So I'm only gonna put it where I don't get oily because I feel like it is very smoothing. Like, still I feel like it's very blurring. So I'm still gonna put it on my face, just not where I get oily. I'm gonna use my Becca primer and put that on my oily areas. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade 340 and just apply that all over. As I said, I'm going to use Carmel by Maybelline. It's the Instant Age Rewind. I'm going to use that as my concealer. So I'm going to put it, boom, right here, right here, right here. And that's it. I popped the little sponge off of the top because the sponge soaks up too much of the concealer. For setting powder, I'm going to use the Crayon Case Chalk Dust powder in the letter A. Alright, so for my nose contour, I'm going to use, as I always do, I'm going to use my Earth shade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Woo! I did that. I did it. Hey man, I see you got on your little uniform like you always do.
Hey May, I see you got on your May outfit like you always do.
For my all over powder, I'm gonna use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Dark Deepest. For my cheek contour, I'm going to use Kola by Fashion Fair. You know what? I changed my mind. I mean, I did put it on there, but I actually want to use that same brown that I put in my my crease area by the Juvia's Place palette, Zulu palette. I'm going to put that right up in there. Let me just show y'all so y'all won't be confused. Because, I mean, you shouldn't be, but I kind of messed up that name. So this is the brown I'm talking about. I want to put that on my cheeks. If I ever run out of that brown shade, I will be buying another one. A full palette just to get that shade. As soon as I start hitting pan, I'm going straight to Ulta when they let us go. When we get out of this, get off of lockdown. For bottom eyeliner, I'm gonna use Engraved by MAC, and I'm just gonna put that right on my waterline. Of course, the all-nighter spray. My lip liner is going to be Warm Brandy by Dip Lips and Tips Cosmetics. So for my lip color, I'm actually going to use a concealer, and it's by LA Girl Pro. It is the Warm Honey shade, because I'm just not finding the color I want, and it's getting on my nerves. And then right over there, I'm going to use Primordial by MAC. Alright, so I'm done with this look. I hope you all enjoy watching me do this makeup look. Yeah, so it's like a little remix look from my last look. It's on Wednesdays We Wear Pink. You know that video? Yeah, that's kind of what my inspiration was. So and of course I had to be extra with my little butterfly. Y'all like my bun? I'm trying to do a little natural hair. I'm trying to do it. So anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video.